Hey there everybody, it's Shane here from Spartan Airsoft, and today we're going to be going over my basic kit for as of right now, and we'll go over all the updates on everything. So starting down, we got Lake and Trail Thin Slate boots, nice hiking boots, cheap. Got USMC frogs and Desert Marpat. Got the top and the bottom in medium regular. Here we got the HSGI Sure Grip Pad Belt. You can see it's got that rubberized texture. HSGI Cobra riggers. We got Condor double pistol pouch with two SIG 226 mags. Diamond Tactical single rifle pouch for my rifle mags for my AR. Condor dump pouch. Pantech mini utility pouch where I hold my red rag, as well as my first aid kit. Some future updates on this is going to be GMR Kydex pistol holsters, GMR Kydex rifle holsters, CSM mini dump pouch. This is going to stay. GMR custom gunfighter Kydex holster for the SIG 226. Moving around to the helmet, MSA ACH issue. Haven't painted it yet. Chin strap, Condor helmet pads, Arena flakjacks with tinted lenses, Oakley M-frame 3.0s with the Helo kit, Under Armour balaclava, heat gear, and then what are these? Whatever, Voodoo Tactical soft shell gloves. Then here, my play carrier is the Mayflower APC, size small medium. I got the Blue Force Gear 10-speed triple pouch. I don't know if you'll be able to, whatever. Mayflower 5.56 insert, Condor CBT sling, first rear shoulder pads with deck cord loops, Pantech map with my call sign on the back. For the right, I got my single Condor double M14 mag pouch for bangers. For the cummerbund, SKD Pig elastic cummerbund in multicam. Going over the weapon platform. Custom built Mark 18 Mod 1. It had no base gun. I built this from scratch. Metal rear flip up. EOTech 551 replica. Magpul RSA. VFC Pack 15 where the pressure pad is ran to underneath. Magpul RVG. Magpul RV, like the MOE grip, paracord sling mount, Echo 1 crane, and then I got a WE F226. For the play carrier, I'm gonna get two of the Eagle smokes, and they're gonna run up and down for smokes and bangers. Then I'm gonna get an LBT radio pouch, LBT embedder and I'm going to get a Bofing radio. And then for this, Element M3X, Element dual switch, a PDI 120 spring, so this thing will shoot about 360. Then I'm going to get a MOSFET, and I think that's going to be all I'm going to do to the gun. On this gun, I'm probably going to stipple the grips put all new parts in it, all new internals. Or maybe I'm just going to put a Marui nozzle in it and leave it at that. Also an Insight M3. And then I'll send it off to GMR to make the mold. But other than that, thanks for watching.